Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and a clear baseline. Make sure the unit is off, cooled, and stable. Once done, remove the access cover to expose the governor and idle screws. Use a tachometer at the output or engine flywheel to read current RPM. Note the number. You want an accurate starting point, so adjustments are meaningful. Now turn the engine to idle and warm it for 3–5 minutes so the governor behaves predictably. Then prepare your small flat screwdriver and tachometer. With the engine warmed and stabilized, you adjust the governor screw to change RPM. Clockwise typically raises RPM and counterclockwise lowers it. Make very small moves, about 1/4 turn, then pause 10–15 seconds to let the governor settle and read the tachometer again. If the engine hunts or surges, back off slightly and recenter the idle screw to stabilize. Keep track of cumulative turns so you can reverse changes if needed. This prevents overshoot and preserves engine health. Once RPM matches the recommended specification, apply the lock nut to secure the governor screw and carefully reassemble the cover. Now test under a partial electrical load to confirm RPM holds steady. A small load reveals real behavior. Run the generator for about 10 minutes while monitoring tachometer and listening for surging. If RPM drifts or oscillates, check governor linkage for binding, inspect fuel delivery and air filter restrictions, and repeat small adjustments. Fixing cause beats chasing symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.